Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan, and I know it's been a little bit. I took a little bit of a mental health break, but I'm back now. So we are going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm box for the month of September. So the first thing we've got in the box, which I've already put on my base, we're just going to kind of start off with the beginning here. So the first thing in the box is from Pretty Vulgar. It's the Nightingale Smokey eyeshadow palette. Has up to 12 highly pigmented shadows, which they all look like that. They're very brown and khaki, but we will see what we got with these. So this retails for $35. I'm going to go ahead and peel that little thing off of the mirror so I can use it. Another thing that we got in the bag, which I'm going to be using today, is the Alamar Cosmetics brush set. This retails for $18, so I'm going to be using this along with the palette. So we're going to go in with this blending brush first, and we're going to go in with this one color here called Hide and Seek. Alright, and then the next color we're going to go into is this one here called Swoop. Alright. So the next thing in the box is from Laura Geller. This is the Baked Blush-n-Brighten blush. This retails for $28. Alright, one of the things that I've been dreading to try is from Butter London. This is a Stroke of Wow roll-on liner. I've not seen anyone really be able to get this thing to work properly, but basically it is just a round disc that you roll the liner on with. So we're gonna give it a go. That's not horribly bad. Okay, so it wasn't as bad as I thought, but it's still not the easiest thing in the world to use. That retails for $19. I don't know if I said that. And then the last thing that we have in the box is from Hank and Henry. This is a liquid lipstick that retails for $17. It's called Petal Pusher. I really like how it actually looks like a regular lipstick, but it's a liquid lipstick. Ooh. Alright, so here is the finished look using all the items from my box this month from BoxyCharm. So the retail value is $117, which is really good considering you're only spending about $21 on the box. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can be subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be reminded the next time I upload. Again, I thank you for watching, and you have a great day.